Hey everybody, it's Tina here at DeBoer's Auto. Is your vehicle AC ready? We're starting to see some spikes in temperatures that will make us go, whew, that's hot, let me throw on this AC. And nothing's worse than turning that on and realizing you don't have it after a long cold winter like we had. Why does that happen? Well, there's several different reasons why that can happen. Your air conditioning system has gas called Freon that flows through it and helps it cool down. There's several duct or pipe components that are metal that allows that Freon to move through your vehicle. Those components can rust through the winter and cause small pinhole leaks. So the number one cause, slow leak. Freon escapes, no more cooling. The next thing you want to make sure that you have going on in your vehicle is that your air is free flowing. So the air can come in from outside or come into your system and then be cooled down through the Freon system. If there's a clog from your cabin air filter, that air won't make its way into the cabin. So that's why it's important to have your cabin air filter checked. After a long winter, little creatures can put things into your air filter that can cause it to clog. So don't be surprised if you don't have AC. Sometimes it's something as simple as getting a new air conditioning filter that would allow for that to free flow again. In addition to that, there's a lot of mechanical components that can slow down over the winter. We're talking little doors and check valves that need to swing back and forth. Over a long winter of not being used, those particular components can get sluggish. So we want to have an ASC certified technician get in there and try to operate or actuate those doors remotely to see if they respond or not. And those particular items can be replaced and help you have your AC back to normal again. You can also either have a blocked heater core, or you can also have a blocked condenser or a condenser that has leaked. Those components allow for the free movement and flow of cold or warm air. And those components, if they have a blockage or a leak in them, can stop your air system dead in its tracks. So what's the resolution? If you're having some issues, your AC is not quite ready yet, and you can't quickly troubleshoot the problem at home, come down to DeBoer's Auto. We have ASC certified technicians that can take a look at your heating and cooling systems to make sure that your HVAC and your vehicle is operating the way it should. We look forward to seeing you.